Fanuc America authorized system integrator Compass Automation designed and built these two identical machine tending and inspection systems for Axley Machining, part of the Gemini Group. Before the process was implemented with automation, it was very time-consuming and labor-intensive, using 2 operators to run 4 machines while hand-loading and unloading each part. The system now utilizes Fanuc's highly versatile M710IC50 robot, an industrial robot popular for a variety of applications, including machine tending, packaging, assembly, and more. In addition to the Fanuc robotic process for machine load, unload, and part transfer, Compass Automation added a high-level inspection system, effectively increasing value for Axley and their customers by guaranteeing top part quality. Each system tends 2 lathes, transporting manually loaded castings through a variety of machining, blow-off, and inspection processes, all through the highly reliable Fanuc robot for handling of the parts. The system runs 18 distinct part variants. As part of its development, Compass Automation utilized their agile development methodology in the system's mechanical design. The critical dimensions and inspection requirements were very challenging. Compass Automation iterated on multiple inspection designs and tooling, as well as different technologies to perform the measurement. Ultimately, after development and implementation, these automation systems have already shown Axley a 30% increase in efficiency while ensuring that their customers receive 100% inspected quality parts. To learn about the Agile Development Methodology and more from Fanuc America Authorized System Integrator Compass Automation, please visit compass-automation.com.